Going over hardware and software. Not going over the every exact technical specs, as you can easily look that up. Software can change over time. This is review of software at launch. If any hardware hiccups or failures in near future, I'll update this review. Hardware, physical, looks futuristic yet tacky. In my personal opinion, looks doesn't really matter as long as it can play next-gen games well. Large console. Standing up, it's the tallest home video console. A lot of air vents throughout, making it aerodynamic, cool, quiet, and does not overheat or get hot with consecutive gameplay hours. This may change in the future if games require more performance out of the system, with similar fate like the PS4, where it was whisper quiet in beginning and became louder over the years with more graphical intensive games. Has LED lights, giving it a PC look. Faceplate easy to take out for future customization options. 667 of 820 GB of free download space. In console, swapping SSD is not as easy as Xbox Series 10, with its plug-and-play method, as you have to remove some screws. Upside is that it's standard and not a proprietary SSD. PS5 is compatible with most PS4 games. If you have an external SSD from PS4, it's just plug and transfer to PS5. Internal storage comes with stand. Console is not entirely flat, so stand is required for horizontal position. You have console in vertical position without stand, but does not have grip, rubber feet, so may slide if bumped into or during an earthquake. Front of console, USB-C, USB-A, power, and eject button. Back of console, 2 USB-A, super speed, LAN port, HDMI, and power port. Wished it had more USB-C port. Disappointed. The PS5 official 3D Pulse headset and camera uses USB-A. Also, no optical audio port means I can't use some of my surround sound headsets. Load times for PS5 games are instantaneous. PS4 games will load much faster, even without optimized patch. PS5 have ray tracing, giving games realistic lighting effects. Controller. Console comes with one controller, physically larger than past DualShock controllers. Great for those with adult-sized hands. Great tech demo included with Astro's Playroom. Haptic feedback. Similar to Nintendo Switch HD Rumble, but more apparent. Not sure if developers will implement in future their games. Even with Nintendo first party, only 1 to 2 Switch and Mario Party from what I recall used HD Rumble at great extent, and it dropped off after that. Adaptive triggers. Will feel resistance/pushback on triggers if developers implement it in-game. Hope both haptic feedback and adaptive triggers say the entire lifespan and transfer to PS6 instead of dropping off like the 6-axis on PS3 and Lightbar and PS4 has built-in mic. Click link in description for details.